Okay, welcome to day 9 of Montavilla Sewing's 12 Days of Christmas giveaways.
Today, we're coming to you from our Beaverton location next to the Mill and Fabric store and the famous Wajimaya store.
Home of amazing customers, fantastic staff, and wonderful window decor.
Yes, they did a great job. Look at this Jane Austen display they did here. They've got a great, the store looks fabulous for Christmas.
Today's giveaway is really fun.
Yes, we're giving away a Janome Travel Mate 16 valued at $380.
Perfect for classes, retreats, and anyone who wants to take a solid machine they can go anywhere with.
That's right. And we're featuring Liesel today, one of our Beaverton employees and someone who loves to be curious and play with sewing machines to make some pretty spectacular things.
She's going to talk to us about some of her favorite machines, and she's going to show off what you can do with yours.
So stick around, enter to win, and let's celebrate day 9 together.
Merry Christmas, and let's go meet Liesel.
Yes. Okay, well today I'm here with Liesel, and Liesel, how long have you been with Montavilla Sewing?
About 4 years.
Okay, and your main job responsibilities?
I am actually a technician, but I have recently moved into being part of the sales team as well, so I do a little bit of both.
You've been an amazing technician. I've seen a lot of good work you've done here. So I wish I got over to Beaverton more often to talk to the crew here more, but I'm glad I'm here today.
Yeah, thank you for being here.
Yeah, we brought you on because you have a knack of really doing some cool things with decorative stitches, right?
I do, I like them, yes.
Okay, so this is something I think is underused in a lot of machines. I mean, machines have hundreds of stitches, and yet people only use a few of them sometimes, right?
Yeah, and well, what I found, especially moving into the more sales side, is that when I'm talking to people, they say, I just need a straight stitch. I just need a straight stitch and a zigzag. And it's like, yes, but there's so much more that you can do to really elevate the things that you make when you start utilizing the kind of options that you have on your machines, especially if you know, you use decorative threads and, you know, top stitching and that kind of stuff. And so that's what I like to show off in the things that I make, that you can do so much more than just straight stitch your stuff together. You can really elevate it to this kind of almost magical type thing.
Well, that's cool. We've got a couple of machines here from Janome, and I know this is kind of more of a travel machine here. This is the Janome 3160, and it has a few decorative stitches. What are some big differences between these machines?
Well, I mean, obviously, starting right off the bat, you can see that the throat space is different.
Sure.
And when I like to build dresses,
Okay.
is my main thing, and so you end up with a lot of fabric.
Okay.
And so having the throat space really helps, because same thing with quilting, you're trying to roll it up and fit so much fabric inside the throat of the machine. So having a little bit of a bigger space is really nice. Also, of course, because I like to do my decorative stitches, the zigzag swing of the needle is really, really nice when it's a little bit bigger, but you can make some really small, pretty stitches as well. So on the smaller machines, you have a smaller swing, you know, anywhere from 5.5 generally to 7 is usually about as big as they get on the smaller machines. Whereas your bigger machines, you can get all the way up to a 9 millimeter. So you can get a really nice, beautiful decorative stitch using that.
So 9 millimeters, that's a good size there.
It's a good size, yeah.
Show us some things that you've actually done with these different stitches.
I would love to. I brought an example. So for this one, the idea was that we wanted it to resemble the silhouette of a Christmas tree, because it is Christmas. So it's got this kind of shape down here. And then the decorative stitches that I use using a gold embroidery thread and a top stitch needle, of course, is supposed to resemble the kind of icing that you would put on a tree, you know, with the ornaments and stuff. So up here you've got some of the smaller stitches as you are closer together. You don't want it to overwhelm the dress. And then as you get down to the bottom, the stitches get bigger to that 9 millimeter swing, so that you really can see the difference between the two different machines and how they work.
And so a machine like this one here has the 9 millimeter.
It does.
Some of the machines do. That's great. And a lot of different stitches to look at. Wow. These are some great machines. Now, I'm asking everybody this one question today.
Okay.
What is a favorite Christmas memory, or something about Christmas that makes it special?
Well, so I live very far away from most of my family, but I do have a couple of members who live here. So we actually get together and we do a Thanksmas together.
Uh-huh.
So we combine the two holidays and we have a really big party up at my sister's house and we all just get together and we're really thankful. And because we do it a little bit earlier in December, we're not trying to jump from person's party to person's party to person's party. We can just be together and really experience both holidays together all at once.
Oh, it's cool.
Yeah.
And you have to give us the code word so that we can know what to put in to see who won the Janome Travel Mate 16.
I picked reindeer.
Reindeer. Okay, so remember, today's code word is reindeer. Thank you so much for joining us, Liesel.
Thank you for having me.
And that wraps up day 9 here at our Beaverton location.
Huge thank you to Liesel for showing off the Janome machines and their many decorative stitches. She really knows her machines.
Remember, you can enter today's giveaway by shopping with us.
And don't forget today's code word.
Reindeer.
Yep, reindeer.
We'll see you tomorrow for day 10 of the 12 Days of Christmas giveaway.
Merry Christmas and happy sewing.